Welcome to Invisible Studio Tips and Tricks. Today we'll show you how to use characters from our character library. You can access Character Library at any time using the button at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Browse through the pre-designed characters until you find one you want to use, or find exactly what you need using the search bar. Today we'll create a video about a puppy. With just one click and your perfect character is ready to star in your story. Or you can use your selected character by typing @ and then their character name. Now you'll continue creating your story about Perry. Character Library is available now for all Invisible Studio users. Happy storytelling!